Hey there, welcome to my channel Craftylity. In this video, I am going to show you how to make this paper quilling tea set, which include a cup and saucer, a small bowl, a teapot, a plate with a piece of cake. So let's get started. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. So we'll start by making cup and saucer. For making cup, I am using 20 strips. Each strip is of 11 inches. For this project, I am using Xerox paper and I have shredded this paper using paper shredder, and the width of the paper is 3 mm. So first we'll create a coil using quilling tool. You can roll the coil with quilling handle or any round pencil or pen to smoothen the edges and make it even. Now take quilling dome mold and then shape the coil into a dome. Apply the glue inside the dome and spread it and keep it aside to dry. For saucer, I have created a coil using 20 strips and will bend this coil a little to give it a plate-like shape. Now apply glue and keep it aside to dry. For making the handle of cup, I have used 3 mm quilling strip which measures 3 centimeters. And I have glued 4 strips of same size one above another to create a thick strip. Now with the help of toothpick, scroll this strip in opposite direction and create S-like shape and glue this shape with cup. Now take 20 strips and with the use of border buddy, I am creating a ring coil. For this, I am using 8th level of this border buddy. Once the coil is completed, shape it. Then apply glue and keep it aside to dry. Now create a tight coil using 10 strip. We'll create a small dome. Apply glue and leave it aside. Now take 3 strips and create a ring coil using border buddy. This time we'll use 6th level. Once the ring coil is completed, glue it with that small dome shape. Create a tight teardrop shape using 3 strips and glue it on the top of this dome. For the base of teapot, I have created a coil using 30 strips. With the help of hands, just push it to create slight dome shape. You can use any top or flat object. For this, I am using a cap of my glue bottle so that the base of dome should be flat. Now apply glue and leave it aside. Take 5 strips and create a ring coil using brush. As I want the center of the coil to be very narrow, I am using a brush handle. With the help of pencil or a pen, give it cone shape, bend it little, and glue it with the upper part of teapot. Glue both the parts together, and to make it more secure, I am wrapping a strip of paper around it. This teapot is ready. Keep it aside to dry. I have created a tight coil using 30 strips. Shape it in little dome and then again use the cap to flatten the center. Apply glue and then leave it aside to dry. Once everything is dried, start coloring it with white color. For this I am using acrylic colors. As this is little thick and it gives a perfect shine, color entire set with white color. Now paint a dot and 2 lines around it with sky blue color. This is a base of flower. Once this blue color is dried completely, take dark blue color and using a narrow brush, I am painting the flowers and leaves on it. I'm using golden acrylic color to paint the border of the cup and saucer and teapot. Also paint the handle of the cup. Allow it to dry completely. For making a piece of cake or pastry, I am using 2 brown strips together of 10 mm. Each strip is of 17 inches. Create a tight coil. Allow it to unroll little and then create a triangular shape. Now take light pink quilling strip of 3 mm. This is around 5 inches. And wrap it in the center of the brown coil. Now create tiny teardrop shape using 3 mm pink color strip. This strip is of 4 inches. Now take 3 mm red color strip and create a tight coil. Thus the pastry is completed. Our today's project is completed. I hope you like this video. See you in another video. Till then, happy quilling!